Stop scrolling. This might be the simplest way to turn $100 into a real opportunity in today's digital economy. Hi, I'm James. What if I told you that with as little as $100, you could step into a real income-generating ecosystem and at the same time gain access to professional education in the world of blockchain? What makes this system truly powerful is that you're not just participating, you're becoming part of a growing network focused on building smart technology. This means you don't only benefit from potential monthly returns, but also from the overall development and expansion of the company itself. The model is designed to create value from real activity, not dependency. And that's what makes it sustainable, scalable, and worth paying attention to. Stay with us. Theo and Sophia will walk you through the insights and opportunities that can transform your path.